For the last couple of weeks, my kids have been into the Rubiks Cube. Remember the Rubiks Cube? Rubiks Cube seems to be timeless, just like the skateboard. So the other day, my daughter and I were heading home from Mass. She pulls out the Rubiks Cube and she's just sitting there staring at it, turning it round and round. Literally just has no idea what she's doing, and she's hoping that she will solve the problem of the Rubiks Cube. Eventually she asks me, she's like, "Daddy, can you help me solve this? I don't know how to do it." It's the blind leading the blind. So I told her, so this was an opportunity for me to impart some daddy wisdom. So I said, "Look, mi amor," I said, in order to solve any problem in life, you need one thing. You need a real strategy. That's it. You need a strategy. And in order to attain the strategy, you need to seek the knowledge of a teacher, somebody that can impart that wisdom, that can give you the shortcut, if you will, to help you solve that problem. Now, does this mean that you can't solve the problem on your own? Absolutely not. You can knock yourself out and try to solve the problem all by yourself. But how long will that take? How many bouts with frustration and borderline rage will you have to go through before you solve the problem? How much time will you waste? And possibly how much money will you waste? Right, so I told her, look, you need to seek out a teacher. I bet you can go to YouTube right now, and there are going to be videos of other kids that will teach you how to solve this problem, how to solve the Rubiks Cube. So I said, and that's it. That's this week's life lesson is, in order to, solve the Rubiks Cube, I told her, you need a real strategy. Interestingly enough, we as adults, we take the same approach. We're looking for quick tips and tricks to try to solve our problem, whether we're trying to get stronger in our workouts, whether we're trying to lose weight, whether we're trying to get better at jiu-jitsu, like whatever it is for us. We're always looking for the tips and tricks, when in reality, friend, tips and tricks are not going to solve your problem. They might provide some temporary relief. They might improve you for a little bit, but if we're talking long-term perpetual progress, well, that will only come from having a real strategy. And a strategy is essentially knowing where it is that you want to be, knowing how to reverse engineer that process so that we have a starting point. A strategy is measurable, so you can track where things are working, where things are breaking down, and what adjustments need to be made. And that's it. That's the key to success. If you're currently stuck in a problem right now, if the kettlebell workout you've been doing is you're kind of hitting diminished returns, if you're not losing the weight, if you're not getting better at jiu-jitsu, if you're not enter XYZ of whatever problem you're currently experiencing in your life, it's more than likely you too are staring at the problem, going round and round in circles to no avail. So stop trying to figure things out on your own. Seek out a teacher to give you the strategy so you can finally move on with your life. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more busy dad strength training tips. And if you need any other additional support on how to build a stronger and more capable body in less time so you can do more of what you enjoy, the strategy, click the link in the description area and download your free 4-week strength program.